Welcome to Berg's World. Make sure you push like, subscribe, and hit the notifications.
Kick.
Hey guys, it's your girl Berg, and I'm going to show you how to tighten your own dreads. Now, this video is a voiceover because I lost the original voice footage, so if you see me not sounding like I'm moving with my own mouth, then that's because I had the voiceover. I'm just showing you my daughter's head. Her head looks crazy. It's been a couple of weeks, so I definitely have to get her hair together. I know y'all looking at my hair, and I definitely got my hair together after hers. But look at that. Look at that. You can see the roots coming out of her scalp. Now, before we get too deep, listen to our podcast on anchor.fm/Black Ohioans, or you can get with us on Google, Spotify, iHeart, everywhere you could think of. Now, first thing you want to do is moisturize the hair and scalp. You can't be tightening dreads on a dry scalp. It's going to break and damage the hair, and it's not going to give you the look that you want. So make sure you rub it in there all good. You can use whatever moisturizer that you want, but make sure you get it in there good. I typically like to start from the back. As you can see, I'll make sure I'm going through every single one of them, and I'm making sure that I'm getting it right. Make sure you leave one row out. Put the rest of the hair in the ponytail after you get done moisturizing. As you can see, the back of her hair, it's been a couple weeks like I told you. So first things first, you got to have your latch hook, beeswax, edge control, and a small comb. Believe it or not, you definitely will need all three. Now for beeswax, you can substitute with whatever you would like, but you definitely need that latch hook. It's the only way you're going to get it the way you want. Now first, apply beeswax. Make sure you get it up in there good. Use a little comb to comb the rough hair, especially if it's been a while. You got a lot of new growth. Then you want to make sure you spin, twist that hair. Stick your latch hook inside all the way through. You're going to put it through the hair, attach the hair to the end of the hook, and then pull it through. Boom. And you're going to repeat that step over and over again. Now, you're not just going to go to the same side. You are going to go north, east, southwest, over and over and over again, as you can see in this video. So y'all see I'm speeding it up for y'all. It took me a while to get through this girl head, but I at least wanted to give y'all beginners something to look at. As you see, I am making my way to the top. Just make sure that you go north, east, south, west. Go in that order and repeat. You don't want to go too far down on the scalp, but you want to get it tight enough. You definitely want to moisturize the dreads that you've already done. You want to keep the moisture locked in. So as I'm doing each one, I am still putting some moisturizer in the dreads, and I'm rubbing it all the way from the roots down to the tip of the dreads over and over again as I'm going. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.